Today we read 2 Kings 9 through 11. It's day 185 if you're reading along with the Bible recap or heart dive. We don't see God working a lot in this passage, but the fact that it says this all happened to fulfill the word of the Lord signals that he's working in the background. This is a good reminder to us that even when we can't see God working, he's there. Would you join me in responding with a song that's likely new to you called Meantime from Chase & Co. I can't tell the sun to rise, and I've lost count of all the times I've tried to. It's no use. I can't stop the rain from coming. Every drop will fall where it's supposed to. I know you know just what you're doing, but these mountains just aren't moving. You're not only good when everything is okay, when everything turns out alright, and you're not only God when miracles surround me, when signs and wonders fill my eyes. You are good, you are God all the time. Even in the meantime, even in the meantime, even in the meantime. I've prayed the prayers and asked the questions that let my restless heart rest in your hands. 'Cause I can't see from your perspective, from this side of heaven. You're not only good when everything is okay, when everything turns out alright, and you're not only God when miracles surround me, when signs and wonders fill my eyes. You are good, you are God all the time. Even in the meantime, even in the meantime, even in the meantime. You were, you will always be good. You will always be good, Jesus. You were, you are, you will always be good. You will always be God, Jesus. You were, you are, you will always be good. You will always be God. You were, you are, you will always be good. You will always be God. You're not only good when everything is okay, when everything turns out alright, and you're not only God when miracles surround me, when signs and wonders fill my eyes. You are good, you are God all the time. You are good, you are God all the time. Even in the meantime, even in the meantime, even in the meantime. Even in the meantime, he is good. I pray you're able to trust him in that today. Thanks for being with me today. I'm Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.